Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you how you can add a follow me on Twitter which is linked into your Facebook account, which is nothing but simply linking your Twitter with your Facebook account. So your Facebook users will have a notification or a indication something like that follow me on Twitter. So we'll quickly see that. First of all, just log into your Twitter account. This is my Twitter account which I have logged in. Just visit this URL twitter.com/settings/app applications. I'll drop it here in the description below if you want this. Under settings, under application, just copy and paste this. Just copy this, and if you want, you can directly paste it like this. So I have logged in, so I'll see something like that option like Facebook Connect. So all that you need is click on Connect to Facebook. So once you click on connect to Facebook, it will ask for you to enter your login details of your particular Facebook. So I'm entering my Facebook details. Okay. Okay. It is asking for the permission whether you want to continue with this account. Yes, I want to continue with this account. So I want my Twitter account uh, to be associated with or linked with my Facebook account. Twitter would like to post on Facebook for you who can see Twitter posts. Okay, my friends or public, whatever it may be, you can choose the options. Uh, Click on OK. So it is saying that your Twitter account is connected to Facebook. So whatever you tweet on this particular uh, Twitter account will be posted to your Facebook. Thus, okay, I'll just post a dummy Twitter tweet so that it will be posted on my Twitter, on my Facebook. So I'll open. Okay, now I'll post something on my Twitter and we'll test it whether it is posting on my Facebook. So all my Facebook friends who watches this particular tweet from me may have the chance of following me on Twitter. Let us see. If I post something like that, hey there, how is it going? And I just you can follow me for update, something like that, and I'll give my Twitter link. So I'll just post this. This is my Twitter link as this one. This is my Twitter ID, twitter.com/my ID, and I can tweet it. So I have tweeted, and this is my Facebook, what I have linked just now. I'll refresh this page and I'll check whether it is posted or not. So hey, hey there, who is it? Okay, I write just who, how is it going, and you can follow for updates. So it came a link, and whoever clicks on this link means whoever the friend on Facebook clicks on this link, they will directly reach my Twitter account and they can have the chance of following me. For now, this is my Twitter account, so there you won't find any follow option here. But whoever who uh, one of my friend looks on this can click on this and they'll directly reach my Twitter and there have a chance of uh, following me right away. So this is how you can have a easy option like linking your Twitter account to your Facebook, so you'll get the chance of following through your Facebook, and whatever the tweet you tweet here will be visible there on your Facebook. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, if you feel so, please hit a like for this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I hope now you came to know how to link up your particular Twitter account with your Facebook account. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I'll drop this link nothing but twitter.com/settings/applications, and you can find the option like connect to Facebook. Once you click on connect to Facebook, it will ask for the Facebook to log in, and it will ask your permission to post it, and you can, if you want, you can accept it, and whatever the tweet you tweet on Twitter will be appeared on your Facebook profile too. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.